Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel for all things fashion, fun, and fabulous, Glowenvy. Today, we're diving headfirst into a challenge that's sure to tickle your funny bone and test my fashion instincts. Get ready for the Blindfolded Shopping Challenge. That's right, folks! I'm about to embark on a shopping spree like no other. The catch? I'll be blindfolded the entire time. Can I put together a stylish outfit using only my sense of touch and Tyler's questionable guidance? Let's find out. All right, glow-getters, here's the deal. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild and unpredictable. I'm on a mission to conquer Kohl's and emerge victorious with a head-to-toe outfit, all while blindfolded. Yes, you heard that right, blindfolded shopping. No peeking allowed. Tyler's here to be my seeing eye stylist. But let's be real. His fashion advice usually involves socks and sandals. So, this should be interesting. Wish me luck, because I'm going to need it. This challenge is going to test my fashion sense and my trust in Tyler. This feels like one of those dreams where you show up to school in your underwear. Only this time it's real, and the stakes are high. Except, instead of school, it's Kohl's, and instead of underwear, it could be anything from a feather boa to a scuba suit. Let's see what fashion disasters or triumphs await. Here we go! The adventure begins as we step into the world of fashion, blindfolded and ready for anything. First impressions? Everything feels like a fuzzy, jumbled mess. It's like navigating through a maze of textures and fabrics. I'm pretty sure I just petted a cotton sweater and mistook it for a chihuahua. The confusion is real, but so is the fun. This is going to be interesting. With determination, we press on, hoping to find the perfect outfit. Tyler, if you lead me into a rack of sweatpants, I swear, trust is key in this blindfolded shopping spree. Okay, I think I found a shirt. The excitement of discovery is palpable. It feels soft and flowy, maybe silk. The texture is luxurious. Or is it one of those fancy polyester blends that feel like a dream? The mystery adds to the thrill. This is harder than I thought. Time for pants. The challenge continues. And maybe a prayer circle, because sometimes you need all the help you can get. Section 4. The Grand Reveal. The moment of truth, glow-getters. After what felt like an eternity lost in a labyrinth of clothes, I've emerged with a complete outfit. Let's see what fashion crimes I've committed. Oh, my glow. It's actually not bad. I'm rocking a sleek black ensemble, a camisole, pants, a cardigan, and even some velvet sandals with embroidery. I look like I'm about to teach a ballet class or star in a black and white film. Color me surprised, glow-getters. This has been one of the most unexpected and thrilling experiences we've had on this channel. This blindfolded shopping challenge was a wild ride, but I managed to pull it off. Navigating the aisles without sight was both a test of trust and a leap of faith. Who knew shopping with your eyes closed could be so exhilarating and terrifying? Every step felt like an adventure, and every item found was a small victory. Big thanks to Kohl's for having us, and for not suing us when I tripped over that mannequin. Their support made this challenge possible and unforgettable. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the chaos, and share it with your friends who love a good laugh. Subscribe to Glowenvy for more fashion adventures, behind-the-scenes fun, and unexpected challenges. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. We have so much more in store for you. Until next time, stay glowing and keep embracing the unexpected. If you love wild challenges like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy fun. See you in the next one.